Hi everyone, Gail here from Retail Resilient, and this is your social selling forecast for the week of September 26th through October 2nd. I have 3 items this week on the forecast. The first item is about Instagram. Instagram has been working on forever a share button so that when you share content on that platform, it goes into other people's news feeds. They're still working on it, and I just wanted to update you on that. The second item is the special ads category for Facebook. So if you are an automotive dealer and you are advertising, whether you're boosting posts or using Ads Manager, you need to check off special ads category. That's going to be going away. It was supposed to go away already, but it's still around. So make sure when you use Facebook for advertising, paid social, that you're using special ads category or they will shut down your account. The third item. All right, we're at the end of September. We're coming into October. So what are you doing for Q4 of the year? Do you have your plan for October? Do you have your plan for November, right? Thanksgiving and Black Friday. Do you have your holiday plan? So start thinking strategy and long-term and what kind of offers and items you want to share in terms of content on social for Q4. Usually it's I'm getting rid of new car inventory, but remember that doesn't exist anymore because there aren't lots all over the place that are trying to move new car inventory. There's not a lot of places like that. Normally, right now in the market we live in, auto dealers order as someone comes in the dealership, they order their new car for them if they're not going to take something that's on the lot. There's not a lot of inventory on the ground. So make sure you have a strategy, make sure you have a plan, and if you want some content ideas, go to @sellcarslikecandy_bars on my TikTok page. If you're not already there, go to my TikTok page and you'll get some creative ideas. All right, I'll catch you next week.